Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is IT support in business management. First, we need to understand why information technology has been introduced in your syllabus, because as we all know, directly or indirectly, nowadays each and every work is dependent on what? Information technology. So we have to understand what is the role of information technology in any business organization. First, before coming to the point, we need to understand what is information technology. So as we all know, whatever work we are performing in our day-to-day life, each and every task is directly or indirectly related with information technology. How? As for example, you understand when you are waking up in the morning, you are waking up with your mobile phones. You are checking the messages, you are checking the comments, whatever images you have uploaded on your social media account. Then what is this social media platform? These all are the software, and mobile is your hardware system. Information technology comprises of data, information, knowledge, operating system, hardware, software. These all things are interrelated. So coming to the next point is, we need to understand what is data, what is information, what is knowledge, and how this all forms database. Next, we need to understand what are the major application areas of information technology. So let's start. The term IT means the study of change. We can also say information technology is a driving force behind industrial revolution. So let us understand, in government sector, in education sector, in retail industries, even in banking, whatever online we are purchasing like e-commerce and commerce, in warehousing, in transportation, in healthcare, in each and every department nowadays we are using information technology. Hence we can say that information technology is a driving force. So let us understand with a very basic example. As we all know, before 15 to 20 years we were using blackboard system in our classrooms. Now we have shifted from blackboard to a smartboard. How? With the help of information technology. And what are the benefits of using information technology? As we all know, kids, they can learn alphabets, they can learn rhymes with the help of smartboards, because they provide us graphical user interface. Even whatever teachers we are hiring for their training, they also enhance their skills by the use of information technology. We have several online platforms like Swayamprabha, which are providing us various resource materials so that we can enhance our skill. Similarly, we can say before 15 to 20 years we don't have the cure of cancer disease, but now with the help of research and development in information technology, we have the cure for cancer also. So with these words we can say that information technology has revolved around the whole world, and it has given a better shape so that we can sustain in this 21st century. Now coming to the point, we need to understand what is information. Information means data we have. In communication we can say whatever message we are providing, what is content we are providing, that is known as information. Then what is technology? Technology means skills, methods and processes which are used to achieve certain goals. So information technology means it is the use of computer system which is used to store, retrieve and transmit and manipulate data or information. What is computer? Computer is simply, it is a machine which changes the whole world. How? As we all know, in computer system, our information is stored in the form of digital, like it accepts binary digit, that is 0 and 1, But let's understand with a very basic example, like you have certain information regarding a student, like his age, his date of birth, his address. These all are the data. These are the facts and figures related to an entity which is a student. When any student goes in any college or a school, when he enrolls in particular course, then after certain period of time when examination are done, they provide us grade. Then grade is the information that provides us the evaluation of that particular student. So we can understand data means raw facts and figures or information that is stored or used by computer system, and information means processed data or meaningful data. Then what is knowledge? Knowledge means information. It means when you are applying your mind in any task, then it comes under knowledge. Then what is database? Database means it is a collection of organized data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Like we have top level of managers, we have middle level, we have low level. As we all know, the CEO or company director is getting much more salary than their employees. Whatever plans, whatever procedures our top level managers are planning, so at the time of planning, do they reveal their information to low level of managers? No, because there is a proper hierarchy. We follow proper rules, proper procedures for flowing of any transactions. So we can say in any organization we have a certain computer system where all the information has been stored, which is known as database information system. So we need to understand what are the advantage of file management system and database management system. As we know, in previous government organizations or in any organization, whatever information we have that time, that were storing in a register format. We can say a register can be a file. So what were the drawbacks? Drawback, we can say that register consists of so many papers, so it increases waste, it increases cost, money is involved in that, in purchasing that raw material. Even whatever information we are storing for confidential purpose, it was also not secure because anyone can easily steal that information. Data were not isolated. You can't store so many data in that files. Even you can't manage, update or delete any information. So we can say there were so many drawbacks of file management system. Then what are the advantages of database management? We can say we can store large number of files in our computer system. We have enhanced our security by the help of username and password. Even we use a authorization concept in which we will give the privilege of a particular person to access those files. And whatever username password facility we are providing, these again are the part of security measures which improve our whole system. Data is integrated so that you can easily work on so many files together. We can say we have centralized database or decentralized database. At a single place, our information is stored, and whichever person wants to access those information directly, he can use the application and can retrieve information. So these were the advantages of using database management system. Now we need to understand what is the role of IT in business management. As you all know, a management is a term which comprises of 4M, that is man, machinery, material and money. As we all know, in any organization, without a manpower, we can't run our organization. Similarly, machinery, material are also next important entities involved, and how you will purchase a machinery or material, or even you employ a manpower with the help of money. So these are the 4 pillars of any organization. Let us understand the role of IT in a business organization. Let's say we have to set up a production company and we have to manufacture a soft drink. Then what we need to do is we need to maintain a warehouse where we will purchase the raw data and store in that warehouse. Then we need several retailers and suppliers. When the product has been manufactured, then how you will send that product in your market. Then for that you need to capture the market, and for production you need to do the market analysis, competitor analysis, and not the least you need to follow all the rules of government policies. In this way we can say whatever terms I have used like packaging, competitor analysis, government analysis and retailer report is one of the major factor in any business organization, because whatever transactions you are doing, each and every transaction should be monitored. Otherwise your all the tasks become hell. So we can say how you can do this whole thing. These all things are done by various applications, like we have Tally software which are used for accounting purpose. Even when you need to send a mail to any employee or to any client, then you use the email. Whatever PowerPoint presentation you are performing or you are conducting meeting, you are doing video conferencing, then these all are the terms which are related to information technology. So we can say faster and more efficient transaction flows with the help of information technology. We can improve our data. We can receive shipment tracking information in real time. We can significantly reduce our paper documents, and in less time we can enter so many data and we can run our business smoothly. So these were some benefits in any business organization with the help of information technology. In any business, let's say we have major different application areas in where information technology are used, like in army, in government sector, in artificial intelligence, whatever robot we are manufacturing nowadays, how that robot are manufactured by the help of artificial intelligence, in disaster management, in healthcare, in agriculture. These all are the various application areas where information technologies has been used. So we can say we transform our organization from physical to virtual organization. We enhance or we train our employees by the help of video conferencing. We facilitate distance learning. So these were some of the major advantages of using information technology. At last but not the least, I can say for any business organization, information technologies plays a very important role, or we can say to sustain in 21st century or to compete in this digital era. It's very important to understand information technology and use it effectively so that you can be connected across the globe.